Hi everyone, welcome back and congratulations to having reached this episode. Once again, we have finished one playlist which is Odoo 19 User Administration, where we intended to configure users for our Odoo server. Particularly, we configured roles for three different teams: the supply chain and inventory, the sales and logistics, the finance and accounting. Unfortunately, we are not able to separate the accounts receivable from the accounts payable because we are using free accounting kit, which for the moment does not allow us to do that without coding. Although if you consult a developer, obviously it can be done. But so far in the series, we did not do any coding as promised. We are tailoring the different roles using Odoo itself without any help from a third party Odoo developer. Although in our original objectives, we have emphasized the need to give the necessary background for isolation administration and Odoo development using the community edition. We have already the four-part series and we have a slight fallout on using basic apps, but I will be making a playlist especially concentrating on the accounting app. So far, Odoo remains to be very promising and they have promised to release Odoo 20 soon before the year ends, and I hope it will not have that much surprises that we encountered in Odoo 19, especially when tailoring roles for our Odoo based business. I still would like to invite you to continue watching my series on Odoo. I will be making playlists again when the new version is released late this year, and I will be excited to see you back. To my students, happy Odooing, enjoy Python, and keep on coding. Bye everyone and have a good Odoo career. Keep the challenge on, keep on coding, keep the spirits high. Bye everyone and thanks for watching.